I just got in a package from Smile Brilliant. They are a teeth whitening company, and I am big on oral hygiene. Like, people always are telling me in my videos that my teeth look nice, but they don't understand the time and money that I've put into getting my teeth done. Because I'm in a professional field, you know, my smile means a lot, and people do judge you by your smile. And I wanted to show you guys the packaging that they gave me, and I just opened it. Like, I just opened it, so I haven't really opened up the packaging or anything like that. But when I opened this, they sent me this little hashtag called Smile Fearlessly, and their company Smile Brilliant. So they sent me an instruction guide right here, and so in the instruction guide tells me how to mix the paste and all of that so that I can make the mold for my teeth. Like, I haven't even read the directions, and I already know because I've gotten braces before and they've had to make a mold on my teeth so that I can wear my retainers after my braces. So when they did that, they had to make a mold and they placed it in my mouth. So basically I would have to complete a consent form and mix the catalyst base, and it, you know, gets an imprint of my impressions of my teeth, so that they can send me the impressions so that I can use those trays to get my teeth whitened. And so they had sent me everything in here. They have the desensitizing gel. They gave me the desensitizing gel and the teeth whitening gel and the whole packet, because I'm going to be sending my impressions in the mail, and they're going to give me my retainers so that I can whiten my teeth. So everything is ready for me. All I have to do is send out my impressions. And they got this right here. You see that? I'm going to be giving out a free package to one of my subscribers. So I'll put all the details when I get the information, but I'm excited. I'm going to be doing my impressions with you guys. I just got it in the mail, so I have to mix everything and just show you all the steps in how I am doing this. So yeah, I'm waiting for my teeth to look even better, and your smile, your teeth tells you everything about you. So I want one of you guys, one of my subscribers, to look just as good. I want their teeth to be glowing, and I'm excited, you guys. Smile Brilliant trays in, and they are the mold of my teeth. And what I've been doing is I've been using my teeth whitening gel, and I've been placing them in the molds. I would keep them on right before I go to bed, and I'll have them on for about an hour, but you can keep them on for at least 3 hours, and they have been doing a wonderful job. I only just needed a little bit to put on my trays, sit them on my teeth, and I just made sure I brushed my teeth with water an hour before I go to bed. The reason why I did that is because I didn't want to drink anything and re-stain my teeth. So after I whitened my teeth, I put the desensitizing gel on just to make sure that I didn't have any sensitivity to my teeth, and I left that on for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I have been doing this, I guess 2 times a week. You can do more if you like, and I am so happy with the results. Like I said, I love making sure that my teeth are healthy and that they're looking good, and you don't have to go to the dentist to do this. I have a packet for a lucky person on my channel, so I'll leave the details below so that you can get your free packet as well. It's easy. At first when I looked at it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be hard, but after reading the instructions and looking at everything was easy, everything came fast, and I am truly happy that they sent this and that they have a gift for one of my subscribers. So yeah, I'll leave the details below. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.